there.
You'll notice the change for sure. Now, it's not as windy as yesterday, but that wind actually helped to bring in the cooler air from the north. So we're down to 54 degrees in Inverness. You're at 53 in Zephyr Hills, 55 in Lakeland, 60 in Bartow. Gets a little warmer when you head down to Bradenton. You're at 65 degrees at this point. But the wind speeds, yes, there's a breeze. It's 12 miles per hour in Clearwater, about 5 to 7 miles per hour in Polk County, but not as gusty as yesterday. And because there's still a little bit of a breeze, there is a high surf advisory until 1 o'clock this afternoon, and there's a small craft advisory for area waters this morning. Otherwise, by the afternoon, really feeling great, hitting 73, light winds, blue sky. At 5:08, though, I have that Gasparilla Distance Classic training forecast for you.